Kalimat Bahasa Inggris Keren untuk Komunikasi yang Lebih Baik. Bagian ketiga. Memangnya kenapa? So what? So what? So what? Mari kita coba. Let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. Aku sedang dalam perjalanan. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Aku hampir sampai. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Kalau saya tidak keliru, if I'm not mistaken, if I'm not mistaken, if I'm not mistaken. Kenapa kamu lama sekali? What took you so long? What took you so long? What took you so long? Aku pergi dulu ya. I'm off. I'm off. I'm off. Tunggu sebentar. Just a second. Just a second. Just a second. Jangan khawatir. Don't sweat it. Don't sweat it. Don't sweat it. Itu sudah takdir. It was meant to be. It was meant to be. It was meant to be. Sampai jumpa. See you around. See you around. See you around. Saya belum selesai. I'm not finished yet. I'm not finished yet. I'm not finished yet. Aku tahu bagaimana rasanya. I can relate. I can relate. I can relate. Kamu berbohong. You are lying. You are lying. You are lying. Aduh, terjadi lagi. Here we go again. Here we go again. Here we go again. Tepat pada waktunya. Just in time. Just in time. Just in time. Kamu mau pergi kemana? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Kamu tertangkap basah. You were caught red-handed. You were caught red-handed. You were caught red-handed. Jangan pura-pura bodoh. Don't play a dumb. Don't play a dumb. Don't play a dumb. Aku tidak mengerti. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. Silakan masuk. Come right in. Come right in. Come right in. Batalkan saja. Call it off. Call it off. Call it off. Tidak ada gunanya. It's no use. It's no use. It's no use. Jangan tersinggung. No offense. No offense. No offense. Jangan kecewakan saya. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Apa salahku? What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? Pelan-pelan, hati-hati ya. Easy does it. Easy does it. Easy does it. Pergilah dari sini. Get away from here. Get away from here. Get away from here. Ayo kita jalan-jalan. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. Tidak perlu terburu-buru. There's no hurry. There's no hurry. There's no hurry. Aku akan segera kembali. I'll be back soon. I'll be back soon. I'll be back soon. Aku sangat senang. I'm over the moon. I'm over the moon. I'm over the moon. Rahasiakan ini. Keep it under wraps. Keep it under wraps. Keep it under wraps. Maaf, bisa ulangi? Come again. Come again. Come again. Santai saja. Take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy. Apakah kursi ini sudah ditempati? Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken? Apakah kamu mau ikut? Are you in? Are you in? Are you in? Saya sedang terburu-buru. I'm in hurry. I'm in hurry. I'm in hurry. Anda salah sambung. You have the wrong number. You have the wrong number. You have the wrong number. Saya serius. I mean it. I mean it. I mean it. Aku merasa sedih. I feel so blue. I feel so blue. I feel so blue. Sadarlah. Get real. Get real. Get real. Aku belum sempat. I haven't had time yet. I haven't had time yet. I haven't had time yet. Itu mudah sekali. It's easy peasy. It's easy peasy. It's easy peasy. Aku mendukungmu. I'm rooting for you. I'm rooting for you. I'm rooting for you. Siapa bilang? Who says? Who says? Who says? Jika kamu mau. If you wish. If you wish. If you wish. Percayalah padaku dalam hal ini. Trust me on this. Trust me on this. Trust me on this. Aku belum tahu. I don't know yet. I don't know yet. I don't know yet. Aku ada untukmu. I'm there for you. I'm there for you. I'm there for you.